Scattered moments like leaves on the ground, fragments of life, in silence they're found. Every second a fleeting spark, pieces of today shining in the dark. Laughter echoes then fades away. Footsteps linger but don't stay. The clock ticks softly, it slips from sight. Pieces of today in morning light. Pieces of today, they're here then gone. Fleeting whispers, the day moves on. Hold them close, they'll fade too soon. Like shadows melt